Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Din and I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix the spices and then cook the dish. Very simple method I'm going to use, so please follow the instructions carefully. So let's cook. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chef Din and today I'm going to do another recipe, and this time I'm going to use beef short ribs, which I don't know if you've ever tried them, but they are really full of flavour if you cook them correctly. And what I'm going to do is slow cook this dish and hopefully you get unbelievable flavours. As you can see, it looks absolutely delicious, this curry once it's cooked. And this is basically the beef I'm going to use. It's on the bone. Don't worry about the fat too much, because at the end of the day this will all cook out and there won't be hardly any fat, but the fat will give it lots of flavour. So let's cook and let's start. First we're going to put our oil into the saucepan, and our garlic and ginger paste. You know how to make this. If you don't, it's 50% garlic, 50% of ginger, and basically you blend it into a paste. Add a little bit of oil to blend it, and then put it in ice cubes, and basically once it's frozen, put it in a zip bag and keep it in the freezer when you need it. I've put in bay leaf, cinnamon and cardamom to this, and we're going to just a little bit infuse the oil. So in goes the meat, and what we want to do, we want to seal it a little bit and brown the meat off. It enhances the flavour once you do this. So just keep stirring it on high heat, make sure it doesn't burn, and it should be fine. So we'll wait for probably about a couple of minutes, because what we want to do, we want to get ready the process before we can put the water in and then put it on the low simmer for about 2 hours. So this process in total takes about 15 minutes or so to get ready. Right, it's nearly there. As you can see, it's starting to brown off a little bit. But I've made a big mistake. I've basically put it into a small pot. I should have really put it in a bigger pot. So I'm going to get another big pot and change this in a sec. So, because once I put the onion in, there's not much room to stir. How could I make a mistake like that? But anyway, chefs also make mistakes. In goes the salt. This will help to release the water. So we're going to just keep stirring this until it becomes more softer and render down a bit more. But in the meantime, I'm going to change the saucepans as well. So you're going to see the change happen in a couple of seconds, because I'm just getting the bigger saucepan and putting it over. But once I've done that, I'm going to basically put my tomatoes, red pepper. If you haven't got red pepper, put green pepper. So and some fresh coriander. So just cook this out for a few more minutes until we're ready to add the water. So then we will be ready to just turn it down and let it simmer for about 2 hours. This is a very easy dish to cook. You can cook this dish. Serve beautifully with pillau rice or boiled rice. I prefer boiled rice. If you don't know how to cook rice that well, I have recipes for rice, and it's a foolproof method. Just watch the videos and the tutorials and you'll be making perfect rice. So well, we're nearly ready here now. As you can see, it's onions have all kind of softened really well, and we're going to add our water as well. Right, now it goes in the water. Cover it to same level as the meat, maybe about 300 mils of water I would say I'm putting in here, and then bring it to the boil, and now we're going to simmer for a good 2 hours. Now I would also like to thank Phil this month for joining my Patreon group. It helps to support the group. Also you get advice if you need. You just message me on Patreon and I'll come back to you with answers as well. So it's worth doing, and also join my Facebook group as well. I've left the links in the description, so you can join the Facebook group, and basically there's lots of advice going on there, and people cooking recipes and that, so you'll learn a lot from there. Anyway, I'm going to let you go and let you watch this video. Make sure you watch everything because it's important that you watch it from start to finish and enjoy my dish. So thanks for watching, and I bid you goodbye now, and hopefully you'll enjoy this curry.